Hey y'all, so flu season is upon us and I feel like everyone around me is getting sick, my family and I included, so I thought it would be fitting to share with y'all my recipe for chicken noodle soup. This recipe is very minimal because, let's face it, when you're sick you don't feel like doing anything. So we're going to start out with 10 cups of water and 4 cups of chicken broth. I'm using a 6-quart pot. So if you're using anything smaller, I would suggest using less water to prevent overflowing. Now I'm going to prepare my chicken thighs and by cutting out the fat. I like using chicken thighs because they have more iron and zinc than chicken breast. However, they are also higher in fat, so use whichever one that you prefer. Once the chicken is ready, I put it in the pot and bring it up to a soft boil, and I let it cook while it's partially covered. Next, we're going to peel and dice 4 medium carrots into bite-sized pieces. Also, we're going to chop up 1 white onion, and we're going to add oil to a pan and add the onion. While the onion is cooking, chop up 3 celery sticks and add them to the pan as well. I also added, I minced 1 garlic into the pan to cook. Once the veggies and the chicken are done cooking, I took out the chicken thighs and set them aside so I could shred them. And I add the cooked veggies to the broth.
Okay.
Now I'm going to add the veggies in.
Okay.
At this point, also add your carrots, 1 cup of pasta, and 2 bay leaves. The pasta I used was di Tellini. Should I just do 1 cup? Okay, 1 cup of pasta. And then this chicken, I'm gonna blend it. To shred my chicken, I use a hand mixer. I feel like it saves so much time and it's really easy. But if you don't have that, just use a fork. Then I add it back into the broth and I let the pasta and carrots cook. The final touch is just chopping up some cilantro and adding it at the very end. This will help to just add a little more flavor, and at the very end I taste it for salt and just use salt to taste. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's safe to say that my baby loved it. Oh my goodness. Okay, now let me try it again.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's better. That's good.
And then that's it.